needed to get out of the house. Spent the entire day running errands, and saw a whole bunch of bikers out. So doing my little happy lap here on 455, and I'm gonna go slow right through here, really slow actually. Yeah, see, there's a bunch of grass on the ground and a bird. Anyways, last time I came through here, I want to go slow and look. I hit a spot that sent me into the oncoming. See, I'm thinking that's it. I think that's oil or something on the road. I was coming through, just doing some, didn't film it or anything, but was doing some practice runs through here to get my body posture right, and hit something over there. I'd done multiple runs through here. I'm not going fast, you know, I'm going 55, it's the speed limit. I was going 55. I was really just focusing on body posture and focusing on feel, and you know, just practicing. Anyways, obviously I did not want to slow down through the turns because I wanted to get a feel for the bike, you know, at a little bit higher lean angle. It's not a lot. I mean, it's 55 miles an hour. It's not. I'm not that guy. Anyways, yeah, the back end came loose, and not drastically, but it started fishtailing, and kind of weird, you know. Stood the bike back up and ended up in the other lane. No traffic was over there, but still, just weird. So, ducks. Anyways, I can't believe it's May, well, it's close to mid-May here in Texas. It's actually kind of cold. I've got my jacket on and I'm sort of chilly. It's weird. So, anyways, just a quick video. Nothing spectacular, as you can tell. I don't know why I just went on the yellow line right there. Whatever. I am gonna again go slow through here. It's kind of disappointing to do that, but there, you get the. You guys did see all that grass. Someone decided to mow their grass and chuck it all in the middle of the road. And right here, right in this area, right here, I ended up. See that pink spot? I ended up over here. So not great. I don't know. It's kind of weird. And it was just that one time. All the other times I came through here, basically picking close to the same line. Ended up over there. I got, you know, pulled over in that drive you see back there that we passed on my right. I thought maybe it was weird. I thought maybe you know, had a oil line let go or something weird, or if I had a rear bearing go out, or I don't know. I was looking for everything I could. I've been checking the bike over all week. Went for another shakedown run, short one between that ride and today's video, and no issues that I can discern on the bike. For whatever reason, that man, these bikes eat wheel bearings. I don't know what that's all about. I don't know. I've heard a lot of people gripe about it. It could be All Ball's fault. That's the bearings I have in here. I've used them for years. I've had a set go bad, and I've already replaced them. These that are in here are, well, they don't have many miles on them. I don't know how many, but they're probably, before I did the rebuild, I had replaced them. Actually, before going to the Dragon, I had replaced them, put new ones in, and so they are. I guess this is year number 3 for them, which should not be a big deal. That's not a problem. It's not like they have an expiration date on them. I did check them when I got the tires. These new tires for this rebuild, they were fine. No issues. So I don't know. We're gonna go through downtown really quick for you guys if I can. I don't know how far I'm gonna be able to get. They do have detours set up, but they're doing Cajun Fest in Salina, Texas. So got a lot of folks of Cajun descent in our area. I am partly of Cajun descent. My grandma on my mom's side was Cajun, and so if you look at my family history, got a lot of French names and a lot of folks in Louisiana and inevitably Canada, because the Acadian French came down here, were asked to, because they were apparently the kind of the toughest of those who had come over to the Americas from France.
2,000 years later.
So there you go, guys. That's Cajun Fest. I'm not getting in there. I can go around it, but I can't go through it. So anyhow, true story, I just got over being sick. And when I say sick, I was sick, man. I got food poisoning, and it was from Cajun food. Not any place I ate, but something I had made. And yeah, anyone who's familiar with Cajun food, it was something called boudin. It looks like boudin, B-O-U-D-I-N, boudin. And it's actually really good if you like Cajun food and you've never heard of boudin. Next time you're at a Cajun place, order it. I don't think you'll be disappointed. So it's pretty good stuff. Anyhow, so I'm definitely on the mend. Probably 99%. Here's funny, the older I get, the longer it takes to get better, to recuperate from getting sick or getting injured. Sucks, man. Don't like that too much, so it is what it is. That's how life goes. Been working on the Mazda. That's a separate video. The last video I just published was from the rod bearing situation. The last video on the Mazda, I should say, was from the rod bearing situation. So no spoiler alerts from this if you've already seen that. If not, well, sorry. Go watch that video. As far as the Buell's holding up, is doing okay. I did have to have a little bit of a discussion with the, I'm going to try and point my head at this throttle, my throttle cables, the push cable, so the return side came loose and kind of got kinked. It didn't affect anything but my ability to, it just made the throttle really tight. Wasn't a showstopper or anything like that, but I think I've got it figured out. I ended up zip tying the throttle cables to the main wiring harness. Maybe you can make that out down there. But I zip tied it to that so that it stabilized them, kept them in one position so they didn't kind of wiggle back and forth. I think that was the problem, is that they were kind of getting disconjuncted back in there. So I think that might have got it. We'll see. I'll keep riding it. Of course, I'll let you guys know, because I'm sure some of you wouldn't mind doing a mod like this to your throttle, like mine is, going with the EBR stuff. By the way, I discovered I have a riding buddy, friend of mine from church. He moved over into that neighborhood there, and said, "Hey man, can you come help me get my bike going?" And I didn't even know he had a bike. It's a Harley, I don't know what it's called, some kind of a, I'm not a Harley guy. I know I'm on a Buell, but I'm definitely not a Harley. That is not my kind of bike. Anyhow, he has a Harley, and turns out it's requiring some work. We couldn't get it started, and so he's got, I guess he's got a mechanic looking at it, and it needs some TLC to get going again, but hopefully we get some riding going on. I mean, obviously he's not going to be into any twisty stuff. He's more of a cruiser guy, so I don't know. That's cool. I mean, I don't mind cruising. Maybe we'll do some video, him and I riding, I don't know. We'll see. Anyhow, we're wrapping things up now. I'm going to go ahead and pull up to this light and go ahead and wrap the video up. Like I said, it's going to be a short video. Just me chilling out, riding around, yakking at you guys. Appreciate you tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you don't like it, pretend that you do, please. Hopefully you like that. And until next time, peace out. Keep it between the ditches.